How to fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for apps. Tap on it and scroll down again and navigate to WhatsApp and tap on it. Further, tap on the notifications option and make sure the toggle button for allow notifications is toggled on. Also, tap on show previews under the lock screen appearance tab and make sure it is set to always. Now, see if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then go back to settings and tap on general and then on background app refresh. Further, tap on background app refresh again and make sure it is set to Wi-Fi or cellular data. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then in general again, tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then on reset and then on reset network settings. Further, go ahead and enter your passcode and reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults, and your issue should have been fixed by now. So, this is how you can fix WhatsApp call not ringing on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.